Okay, so I need a pop-up plugin that acts as a squeeze page, and I need it so that if they click on the outside of the box, there's no X, they can't get out of it. The only way for them to be able to get into it is if they put in all their information and then click Get Instant Access, and then they'll be able to search the website and go through the website. But if not, they won't be able to do it. So I need that done. I currently have my own website. I basically need this exactly the same. And I need the leads to be able to go into a Google spreadsheet, the phone number, email, the state they live in, and if they have a license or not. So I need that to go into a spreadsheet, a Google spreadsheet. I currently have a Zapier, so I'm able to hook that. I can give you access to my Zapier. You can hook it to the Google spreadsheet and then have the leads that are taken from here go into the Google spreadsheet. So I want this exactly, literally exactly the exact same thing, the exact same look. So if you can do that for me and tell me the best way to do that to get it into a Google spreadsheet, I'm assuming Zapier is the best way to do it. Um, I'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much.